You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this scientific expression, medical term. If you want to learn more names from medicine, that can be a bit confusing. I've got tons of them at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Let's break it down. An injury, an abnormal sensation in the thigh, pain. Meralgia, English pronunciation, meralgia, with a stress on the ra syllable here, meralgia. Paresthetica, I know this one is a little bit tricky, so pares, with an S sound followed with a TH sound, thetica, paresthetica. I know it's not that easy, the stress is on the the syllable. Meralgia, paresthetica, pretty straightforward. Once you know meralgia, paresthetica, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.